Hello and welcome to this video on when someone should retire. Retirement is a major life decision that can be both exciting and daunting. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of when to retire, there are a few things you can consider to help make the decision. First and foremost, it's important to think about your financial situation. Retirement typically means relying on savings and investments instead of a regular paycheck. So it's essential to ensure that you have enough money to live comfortably for the rest of your life. This can involve calculating your retirement savings, estimating your future expenses, and planning for unexpected costs. Another important factor to consider is your health. If you're struggling with health issues or have a physically demanding job, retiring earlier may be necessary. On the other hand, if you're in good health and enjoy your job, you may choose to work longer. Social factors can also play a role in deciding when to retire. For example, you may want to retire when your spouse or partner does, or when you have grandchildren to spend more time with. You may also want to retire if you have a passion or hobby that you've always wanted to pursue but haven't had the time for. Ultimately, deciding when to retire is a personal decision that depends on your unique circumstances. I hope this video has been helpful in giving you some guidance on when to retire. Remember, retirement is a new chapter in your life, so make sure you take the time to plan and prepare for it. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your retirement journey.